What's up guys, Wolf here again. Got you with a new video with some new shoes. So, you may have heard of eBay authentication, maybe you haven't. Ooh, get that to focus there. There we go. So you can actually buy real shoes from eBay without any hassle by it being legit. As you see, genuine peace of mind. I believe it's SneakerCon as well as the ones that they go through. 3-day shipping, no cost to you, so they pay for the fee, which is pretty cool because usually StockX Go, there's a little fee in there that you got to pay for. As of right now, eBay authentication is free. So yeah, if you go to type in, let's just say like that. Okay, you're gonna see a bunch. Now what you want to look for is the little badge right there, authenticity guarantee. Those are gonna fall underneath it. Oh, there's the shoes we're reviewing right there. So that says that, you're gonna click that. It's gonna bring it open. It's gonna show you right there, top rated, blah blah blah, authenticity and guaranteed. So it'll be sent out, authenticated. If it's real, it gets sent to you. Boom, pretty easy, right? All right, now let's get into this video. All right, so this is what it comes in. I did reseal it because I just wanted to make sure everything was good before doing this, of course. So it's just gonna be a pretty standard looking box from eBay. We've all bought from eBay before. It's probably just one of their tags there. And there you go, nothing special. And I forgot to turn the light on. Boom, there we go. And I actually do have a real pair of these that I'm going to show on here that I know for a fact are real, that I bought from Nike. So at first we're going to get that nice little eBay badge. Yep, as you see, I got a big foot, size 14. Lebron 18, black pink blast, multicolor. This should be the James gang, even though it doesn't say it there. Retail is supposed to be 200. Boom. So yeah, the Lebron boxes, as of late, at least the 18s, they don't seem that nice. I mean, they look different, but I mean, nothing really crazy. Engineered, you know, got the James logo there. All right, right off the bat, we got this little card here. Authenticity without a doubt. Congratulations on adding another pair of sneakers to your collection. The enclosed pair have been meticulously inspected by a team of independent experts. To learn more about your sneakers' authenticity, NFC. Okay, I already got that going. Well, let's get the shoe out first. Man, these are nice. There's the tag there. So like you've seen with StockX, they have their own NFC tag here that they put on, which is pretty cool. A little protective coat on it. Move that back there a little bit. Alright, so let's go ahead and try out this decoder. Alright, it says to tap it. Finally got it to work. There we go. Shows Lebron 18 authenticated. Well, take that as you will. Guess you could argue anyone can really do that. But there's that one. And here's my actual pair that I wear on occasion. Because I like to buy my favorite types of shoes. I like to buy two pairs, one to wear, one to keep nice. Yep, holds up pretty well. Well, I'm definitely going to trust the experts and say that's real, because I can't tell the difference from my pair I got from Nike and the pair I got from them. Well, there you pretty much have it, guys. I'll go ahead and get some shots of this outside in the sun so it looks a little better. And as always, have a good one. Peace out. Wolf out.